people of Kenya.
Riwruok mar kanise ma pacho ka National Council Churches of Kenya NCCK kotele gi jakom margi Justus Bundi kwa josiasa maya e county ma Meru mondo obed mabor gi siasa mosebedo ka dhi mbele county no siasa mowacho ni osebedo mana ka doko chien dongruok e county no wuoyo e county ma Meru e romo mane okelo kanyakla jotend riwruog no maya e ugwe mar piny Kenya kama negi kwayo piny owacho mondo luw chik gi jotelo makelo fere e county no kendo tergi e doho kuom rocho kwee ma gwengego. Jotelogo wacho ni giikore bedo jothek e kind jotelogo mar neno ni chenro mag dongruok obedo gi ng'ukruok e county no.
It is disturbing to see that political leaders in our county are engaging in actions and verbal exchanges that threaten peace and well-being of the people of Meru County. It is our prayer this should come to an end. We call upon Our Excellency, Governor, Deputy Governor, Senator, Woman Representative, Members of Parliament and Members of County Assembly to embrace dialogue and peaceful political engagement. As the elected leaders in Meru County, you each have a mandate to encourage a culture of inclusivity and multi-stakeholder dialogue and consultations to address issues rather than confrontations. The political differences among our people should always draw us to sit and converse and should not be a reason for divisions and violence. On our part, we as religious leaders are available and willing to mediate to ensure success in the establishment of a framework for dialogue and consultations in the county. It is important that each of us remembers the inspiration given in Philippians 2:4. Each of you should look not only to your own interests, but also to the interests of others.
Okil Willis Otieno kwa Uganda joluo mondo